So as you can see, this is dangerous. Don't play with it. Whenever you spray it, hold your breath before you start spraying. And don't inhale again until you stop and get far away from the car. Also, check which way the wind's going first and make sure you get upstream whenever you walk away. I really recommend wearing ventilation equipment, but depending on where you're at, that might be hard. Like, I'm in Florida, so it's pretty hot. So that's one side sprayed up. I'm gonna catch my breath again, get ready to hold it again for a few minutes, put the wheel back on, exhale, get away from the car before you exhale, and then go do the other side. So you just need to plan on having a few minutes between each one to, regain your oxygen. So I take back some of what I said about the ventilation machine. Regardless of what the temperature is, if you can't wear a ventilation machine, then don't be a mechanic, because I held my breath. I walked at least 20 feet away from the car after I sprayed it, and my throat still feels irritated. So you saw the label. So next time I'll be using a ventilation machine. So a couple other things. Don't wear a good shirt, good pants. Don't wear your good gloves. Wear some throwaway gloves, throwaway shirt. I mean, at least just a garage clothes, so you can just wash them in the garage and not contaminate your other clothes. But I mean, if you still smell it, even after you wash it, then I would just throw it away. So after dealing with that situation with the rust and very little critical thinking, I mean, I should have thought about it before, but that's going to be my last time working with rust spray. My advice to myself and for anyone else from here on out is don't work with rust. Assess the situation, assess the work that's going to be done before you get started, before you make an estimate, before you give a quote. Assess the rust, see how far back you need to remove parts. In other words, like with this situation, he needed new hubs. The hubs are directly connected to the knuckle or the spindle. And then the spindle's connected to the strut, the control arm. In his case, I think we can get away with just removing the spindle from the strut and the control arm and tie rod. But if not, then next time the control arm and the tie rod and the strut is gonna have to go too, because it's worth no amount of money for anyone to risk health problems and, as you saw, possible death to make a few dollars. I mean, even thousands of dollars, millions of dollars. That's my opinion.